Chicken stands as one of the most consumed proteins globally, yet its health implications invite consideration. This culinary staple finds its way onto tables, but the question arises, is chicken truly beneficial or detrimental to health? Understanding the key factors surrounding chicken consumption is crucial for making informed dietary choices. The positives of chicken start with its impressive nutritional profile. Firstly, chicken is a powerhouse of lean protein, which is vital for muscle growth and repair. Imagine a hearty plate of grilled chicken, its juices glistening under the light. It's not just delicious, but offers the essential amino acids that support the body's functions. Secondly, opting for skinless chicken can delight health-conscious eaters as it is low in fat. Visualize a heart icon next to a serving of skinless chicken, affirming its suitability for a heart-healthy diet. This delightful protein not only tantalizes the taste buds but also embraces wellness goals. Additionally, chicken harbors a wealth of vitamins and minerals that confer health benefits. Picture a cozy family gathered around a dinner table, sharing a sumptuous chicken meal. The vitamins within not only enhance flavor, but also bolster the immune system. Incorporating chicken into meals can be integral for those looking to manage their weight. Consider the scene of a revitalizing workout, where a protein-rich chicken salad fuels the body, satiating hunger and nourishing the physique. With chicken, vitality blends seamlessly with satisfaction, guiding individuals toward their health objectives. Conversely, chicken consumption is not without its pitfalls. A striking example lies within processed chicken products like nuggets, which often contain unhealthy fats and artificial additives. Envision the alarming image of such processed foods, highlighting why moderation is essential. Food safety also becomes a pressing concern. Improper cooking poses risks, potentially leading to foodborne illnesses, such as salmonella. Imagine a thermometer ascending ominously. This visual serves as a reminder of the importance of proper cooking techniques. Beyond safety, another point of contention arises from the use of hormones and antibiotics in poultry farming. Consider the image of a syringe, underscoring the potential risks associated with certain chicken products. Opting for organic chicken can mitigate these concerns, ensuring a healthier choice. Ultimately, chicken can offer valuable benefits when selected and prepared wisely. The journey does not end with choosing chicken. It extends to how one decides to cook and consume it. Visualize a vibrant end screen proclaiming "Eat smart, stay healthy" next to a picture-perfect grilled chicken meal, signaling the path to a balanced diet. By understanding its strengths and limitations, chicken can remain a delightful and healthful addition to any diet. Embrace the power of knowledge in your dining decisions and enjoy the culinary joys while prioritizing wellness.